Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will be seeing about the muscles of the medial compartment of the thigh. The link for the previous video is in the description box, you can check it out. So the first muscle what we are going to see is the gracilis. Here you can see this is the gracilis. So in order to have a clear view on the origin of the gracilis muscle, we have to know some landmarks on the pubis as well as on the ischium. So this is the hip bone, what you are seeing here, this is the hip bone and that too right hip bone. So this portion, this particular portion, this is the body of the pubis. And this is the inferior ramus of the pubis. And what you are seeing here, this portion, this is the ramus of the ischium. Again I am repeating, so here this is the body of the pubis and here this is the inferior ramus of the pubis, and what you are seeing here, this is the ramus of the ischium. Now coming to the origin of the gracilis muscle. So as I already said, this is the body of the pubis. Here you can see this gracilis muscle, it takes its origin from the lower half of the body of the pubis and that on the medial side of the lower portion of the body of the pubis. This entire portion, this is the body of the pubis. So this gracilis muscle takes its origin from the lower part and that too on the medial portion of the body of the pubis. It also takes its origin from the inferior ramus of the pubis. This is the inferior ramus and this is the superior ramus. So it also takes its origin from the inferior ramus of the pubis and also from the adjoining part of the ramus of the ischium. So here you can see this is the adjoining part of the ramus of the ischium. So this gracilis muscle, it also takes its origin from the adjoining part of the ramus of the ischium. Let me point out one by one. So this gracilis muscle, it takes its origin from the lower portion of the body of the pubis mainly on the medial side, and then it also takes its origin from the inferior pubic ramus and also from the adjoining portion of the ramus of the ischium. Again I am repeating, this gracilis muscle, it takes its origin from the lower portion of the body of the pubis, that too on the medial side, then from the inferior pubic ramus and also the adjoining portion of the ramus of the ischium. Coming to its insertion, here you can see it gets inserted into the tibia and that on the medial portion. So this is the lateral condyle and this is the medial condyle of the tibia. So this gracilis muscle, it gets inserted into the medial surface of the tibia. So here you can clearly see its insertion. So it gets inserted behind the sartorius. So this muscle is the sartorius muscle. So this gracilis muscle, it gets inserted behind the sartorius and in front of the semitendinosus muscle. So this muscle, this is the semitendinosus muscle. So it gets inserted in front of the semitendinosus and behind the sartorius muscle. Now coming to its nerve supply. As I already said in the previous video, the muscles of the adductor compartment or medial compartment, it is mostly supplied by the anterior division of the obturator nerve. So again I am repeating, the nerve supply is by the anterior division of the obturator nerve. Coming to the actions of the gracilis muscle. As like that of the pectineus, this gracilis muscle is also a flexor of the thigh. And of course it also acts as a medial rotator of thigh. But this gracilis muscle is a weak adductor of thigh. So another important thing regarding this gracilis muscle is The gracilis muscle has been often used for free functional muscle transplantation.